Alright, this is all my announcements and stuff, so enjoy the video. This is Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 72nd Street, 7th Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 195th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 129th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 223rd Street. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 125th Street. This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 13 and 7 trains. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 195th Street, Motor Speedway of the South. This is 195th Street, Motor Speedway of the South. Transfer is available to the 12, to the 11, 12, 6, and 7 trains. This is a Manhattan-bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is Vickerstown, East 125th Street. This is Vickerstown, East 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 7 train. This is a 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 68th Street. This is a Manhattan bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 227th Street. This is a 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 129th Street East. This is a Manhattan bound A and C. This is a 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 625th Street. This is a Manhattan bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is Wonderland Avenue. This is a Manhattan bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 4th Street. This is the 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 117th Street. This is a Manhattan bound. This is a 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 8, 7, 12, 4, 11, and 13 trains. This is a 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next stop is 119th Street. This is a Manhattan bound this is 62nd Street bound A and C shuttle train. The next and last stop is 62nd Street. This is 62nd Street. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, A, C, E, B, D, F, M, G, J, Z, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttles to Rockaway Park, Grand Central, and Franklin Avenue, and the BX and M34 select bus services. And connection is available to the Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, Amtrak, and Port Authority bus terminal. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Eastmanville. This is a Brooklyn bound 8 train. The next stop is Copper Canyon. This is Copper Canyon. This is a Manhattan-bound 11 train. The next stop is Deer Peak. This is a Manhattan-bound 8 train. The next stop is Radiator Springs. This is Radiator Springs. Transfer is available to the BX12 bus to Flows. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Central City. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is City Central. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Penton. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is East West. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Toy Country. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Sodor. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Vickerstown. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is East 229th Street. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is 62nd Street. This is 62nd Street. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 11, 12, 13, A, C, E, B, D, F, M, J, Z, G, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttles to Rockaway Park, Franklin Avenue, and Grand Central. Transfer is available to the M34 and BX12 select bus services. Connection is available to Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak. Connection is available to Metro. Transfer is available to Metro North. Connection is available to Port Authority Bus Terminal. Transfer is available to the Polar Express. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next stop is Grand Central East. This is Grand Central East. Transfer is available to the 4, 13, and 2 trains. This is a Hot Wheelburg bound 8 train. The next and last stop is Hot Wheelburg. This is Hot Wheelburg. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is Buell Avenue. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is East 149th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is Cypress Avenue. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 3rd Avenue, 138th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 125th Street. This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 4 and 5 trains. Connection is available to Metro North. Transfer is available to the B34 bus to LaGuardia Airport. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 116th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 110th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 96th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 86th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 77th Street. This is a Manhattan bound 6 train. The next stop is 68th Street, Hunter College. This is 68th Street, Hunter College. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 59th Street. This is 59th Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, N, R, and W trains. A free transfer is also available to the N and Q train by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 53rd Street. This is 53rd Street. Transfer is available to the E and M train. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 local train. The next stop is 51st Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 local train. The next stop is Grand Central 42nd Street. This is Grand Central 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 7, and shuttle to Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 33rd Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 28th Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 23rd Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. This is 14th Street, Union Square. Ladies and gentlemen, as you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, N, Q, 4, 5, L, N, Q, R, and W trains. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is Astor Place. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is Bleecker Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is Spring Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is Canal Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, J, Z, N, Q, R, and R trains. R and W. Ladies and gentlemen, transfer is available to the 4, 5, J, Z, N, Q, R, and W trains. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall. This is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, J, and Z trains. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 local train. The next stop is 277th Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 72nd Street. This is 72nd Street. Transfer is available to the 11 and 12 trains. This is a Mountain Rock City or Ladies and gentlemen, if your destination is 62nd Street, you must transfer from this train to a Brooklyn-bound 6 express train. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next and last transfer point stop is 72nd Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 163rd Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 209th Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 82nd Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yard bound 6 train. The next stop is 159th Street. This is a Mountain Rock City Yards bound 6 train. The next stop is 195th Street, Motor Speedway of the South. This is 105th Street, Motor Speedway of the South. Transfer is available to the 11, 12, 7-4, an A and C shuttle train. This is a Mountain Rock City Yard bound 6 train. The next and last stop is Mountain Rock City Yard. This is Mountain Rock City Yard. Transfer is available to the 11 train. And that is all my announcements and strip maps I want to show you guys. Yeah. Fictional.